Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a card share video. I have 4 cards that I made that are super simple, easy to make, ready to go in the mail. So let me show them to you. The first up is this one. It says, "Oh, happy day." I just actually stamped on the actual pattern paper. It's some really pretty paper that I got in a kit off of Amazon. And then I put some of the Spellbinders version of Glossy Accents on the little orange there to kind of make it sparkle. And then this next one says, "Sending you birthday cheer." Thought the paper was so pretty, it didn't really need anything else. I did add a little bit of the glitter paste. I can't think of what it's called right now, and there's some cardstock from my stash. The next one is this "Happy Birthday." This is a die that I purchased off of AliExpress, I believe, and not a big fan of this die. I did leave the little dot off the eye, so I'll have to get another one to put on there. And then the little bee, I put some of the Glossy Accent stuff from Spellbinders on it, but I thought it turned out really cute. It has some really pretty colors, and I like the paper that I used. And this last one is, once again, just letting the paper do all the work here with the really pretty floral design here. And then this "Happy Birthday" from my stash is cut out with the gold paper from Spellbinders, which is really pretty. Totally recommend it. So these are the 4 cards I wanted to share with you guys today. Let me know which one is your favorite. Do you like the gold "Happy Birthday," the white "Happy Birthday," or "Sending you birthday cheer," or "Oh, happy day"? Let me know below. Thanks for watching my videos. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and welcome to all my new subscribers, and I wish you all a great day. Bye.